Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about how to convert the string data type into the integer one within the C hash. So how we can do it? First of all, we need to go to File, click on New and then on Project. Then you can select Visual C hash and Windows Forms application here. Click on OK. Now this is the main form. Okay, now we have to take one push button. Okay, this is a bit necessary, so you can like this here. So whenever we will press the push button, our task will get executed. Okay, don't confuse with all this complex code. We are just supposed to write our code in this private void button one function. Okay, this is a private function, so we can write all our code here and we can write all our code here and it will get executed when button is pressed. So how we can, okay, now here we write string f is equal to like 200. Although 200 obviously is an integer, we all know that 200 is an integer, but as it is in the double quote, so it will be considered as the string data type. Okay, compiler will consider it as the string data type. So how we can convert it into the what's called as integer? But before doing that, we need to write f.getType. Okay, f.getType of console.writeLine. This is the method, this is the function with the help of which we can get the type, that what sort of variable this f is. Okay, and after we have found it out, we can like print the type or data type of this variable on the console, that is console.writeLine. Okay, now we need to click on push button and it is set system.string. The system considered it as the string data type. Okay, now we will convert it into the integer. So how we can do that? We will write int r is equal to int32.parse and int32.parse and f, okay, and semicolon. So dot parse int32. Okay, wait, we have to like this thing. Okay, yeah, so you must take care of the spelling. So int32.parse function will do what? Will take this f as the string data type and convert all of its data into the integer one and then store it in the r variable r, which is of integer data type. And when you will write console.writeLine and r, okay, r we need to write r.getType, okay, that what sort of type r has, and obviously we know that it must has the what's called is the integer data type. So now we need to click on start, we need to click on push button 1, and here you can see that it is converted from string data type to integer data type. So in this way you can convert every string data type variable into the integer one. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.